Hey there, future DCDC certified professionals. Welcome to this video where we'll be breaking down exactly how to crack the DCDC certification exam for beginners. If you're new to DCDC or just looking for a step-by-step guide, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. What is DCDC certification? So, first things first, what exactly is DCDC certification? DCDC stands for Distributed Control and Data Communication. It's a certification aimed at validating your skills in electrical distribution, control systems, and data communication. It's a great starting point for anyone interested in electrical engineering or systems control, and it's a must-have for many roles in industries like energy, manufacturing, and automation. Step 2. Why is DCDC certification important? Now, you might be asking, why should I pursue this certification? Well, DCDC certification demonstrates that you have the essential knowledge and technical skills to design, implement, and manage control and data communication systems. This certification can significantly boost your career prospects and set you apart from others in the field. It's recognized by employers and helps you secure higher-paying roles in a competitive market. Step 3. Exam breakdown. Let's talk about the exam structure. The DCDC certification exam tests you on various topics, such as basic electrical principles and systems, data communication protocols, control systems and their applications, troubleshooting and maintenance of systems. The exam is typically multiple choice, but there are also practical questions that require you to demonstrate your understanding of key concepts. Step 4. Study materials. Next up, study materials. There are plenty of resources to help you prepare for the exam. Here's what I recommend: official study guides. These are your best friend. They provide a clear breakdown of what you need to know. Online courses, platforms like Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and others offer excellent beginner courses for DCDC. Practice tests. Practice makes perfect. Be sure to take practice exams to familiarize yourself with the question format and to identify weak spots in your knowledge. Step 5. Step-by-step study plan. Now that you know what to study, let's break it down into a step-by-step plan. Week 1. Master the basics. Focus on core electrical principles like voltage, current, resistance, and basic circuits. These are the building blocks for understanding control systems and data communication. Week 2. Dive into control systems. Learn about different control systems, from open-loop to closed-loop systems. Understand sensors, actuators, and the role of controllers in automated environments. Week 3. Data communication and protocols. Study the communication side of DCDC systems. Focus on common protocols like Modbus, Ethernet, and TCP/IP, which are vital for modern control systems. Week 4. Troubleshooting plus practice tests. Spend this week sharpening your troubleshooting skills and taking practice tests. Identify weak spots and review those areas before exam day. Step 6. Exam day tips. Alright, it's exam day. Here are a few last-minute tips. Stay calm and focused. Make sure to get a good night's sleep before the exam. Read questions carefully. Take your time with each question. Don't rush through it. Answer what you know first, tackle the easy questions first, and then come back to the tough ones. Don't forget to review. If time allows, review your answers before submitting. And that's it, folks. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to passing the DCDC certification exam. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exam tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions.